Hello friends, greeting from Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited. Today we are here with first video of our product property management system. It covers property listing, website, property rental, property configuration, and maintenance activity. So in today's video we are going to look at basic configuration to be done before we start working with our property listing. So first let us log in to our system. When we log into a system, we need to go to property management module. Inside that property management module, there are total basically 6 different configurations. The first one is property type. So when we open a property type, if we want, we can add a property type. Like, let's say I am having an water villa. So I will be adding that particular property type and it will be added in our list. Whenever we are going to create any property, we are going to compulsorily need this particular configuration. Then comes rent. Whenever we want to create our tenancy, we are going to need rent type. Whether we are going to create it every monthly, every quarterly, half yearly, or yearly rent. It is going to be like that. If we want, we can create our own property rent also. Okay, so let's say weekly I want to add my weekly property rent, so that will be added here in my rent time, that is one weekly. So every week that rent request will be generated based on that. Then comes room type. Now whenever we are adding our photos and details, we will going to be need some basic details of our room, like drawing room, bedroom, kitchen, if there is any, uh, servant quarters. Then we can add all of them here. Then comes utility. Whenever we are going to create our properties, we are going to need this all utility, and we need to select some of the utilities that are already available with our particular house or property. So when we want to create particular utility. Let's say I want to create lift facility. So that will be directly added here, and that lift facility will be here added as an utility. So here we have added some electronic service, security service, water service, then air conditioner, electricity, garden, then parking, smoke alarms. Every one of them are some utility types. Then there are place types. So whenever we are creating particular property, we will be adding uh, different number of places near our property to attract more people to our property. So that details can be added here. Like I am adding garden. So whenever we want, this garden will also be added as our master data. So whenever we are creating our property, and if we want to add any particular garden details, we can add it in our property. And the last one is recurring maintenance types. So whenever there is going to be a maintenance cost in our particular property, then we can add that here. It is the master data. So whenever we want to select one of them, let's say electricity check monthly. So monthly electricity check costs us some 100 rupees. So that will be done by internal maintenance team. That will be directly added here. So these are the basic configurations that we can add. So whenever we are creating any property, this all particular configurations will be here shown. There is one another label that label is for BHK apartments. So let's say if I want to create 2 BHK label, I will simply need to add that labels here. Now I'm going to add some number of labels like 3 BHK, then there are 3.5 BHK. That is already required only. So 4 BHK. So I am adding this particular details directly. So whenever we are looking at labels, the labels will directly be created here. So these are the basic configurations that are to be added if before we add any particular property to our listing. Uh, so in our next video, we will cover property creation and sub property creation. Until then, thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to know more of our products. Thank you once again.